$250 or more company inside one bucket called index fund. They will sell it as a bucket to you, but there are 500 companies. Meaning if that bucket is $50, then the value of each, for instance, is about $50 divided by 500. Very small, probably like 1 or 10 cents. Even if 10 companies should fold up, you have nothing to worry because you just lost 10 times 5, 50 cents. Some people don't invest in anything in their life except index fund, and they have become millionaires. In America, they don't do any other thing because you can never go wrong with index fund. Take that word. You can never go wrong with index fund because there are hundreds of companies put together in one. You can never go wrong. If you buy individual stock, if the company fails, you have lost your investment. That's the difference between index fund and individual fund. But still, we encourage people to do one because there are companies that are there and they have been there. They have track record. For instance, Coca-Cola, Amazon. Is that correct? Walmart. What's the name of that one selling burger? McDonald's. I bought their shares. General Electric. I bought them. Visa. MasterCard. You can buy all those ones. Pass individual ones. Look, this one. I brought an example for you. That's an individual company. I bought those companies $724 in 2020, around May 2020. Brethren, look at the gain. That's at yesterday when I checked. 1,230. Money that you might say is small, but that's $500 I did not work for, right? Within how many months? May has not reached less than a year. That's my portfolio. That's my picture. They are not giving you a story of somebody. Rather, that's our, because we do it together, but it's under my name. Sometimes they are allowed to put in 2 names. Why? Some don't allow, like you put Mr. and Mrs. Some of the investments allow us to put 2 names. The ones that don't, I'll just put under my name and she will give me the money, we'll just put it there. 1,230. Today, if I want to cash out that money, that's what I'm going to have. Do I pay tax on that? But I will not pay tax on the job that you are working as much as this. Even income that I not work for, the tax is less. The one you kill yourself for, the tax is high. I think we should get financial wisdom. Maximum that you pay on capital gain is 20%. You pay 40 to 50% on the one that you labor for. We should get financial sense. All right, let's move on. We are number 7. These are apps on your phone that can help you to invest free. Acorns, Robinhood, Starch, Ali Invest, Cash App. That one was from Cash App. I have all this, I think except this, and more. All of them have investment in them. Or I will put it, correction, we have investment in them. Correction. All this one that I gave you, and some of them are not listed here. Webull. If you sign up with Webull today, if I give you a link and you sign up, they give you 3 stocks for free.
4 now.
Right now, today. You don't have to put $1. I think when you sign up, okay, yeah, and deposit $100, you can then withdraw your $100 back. Immediately you deposit that $100, they'll give you 3 free stocks. You can remove your $100 and not do anything. The next 10 years, imagine how much that stock will worth. Some of them are worth from $14 to about maybe $140 each, and they'll give you 3. Even if you leave it there and do nothing. All right, let's go. Now, you can buy gold and silver. That's our numbers, 7 and 8. I mentioned that before. Gold is about $2,080 the last time I checked. It had probably maybe dropped right now. On Amazon, gold coins and keep. My wife has been buying this. I told her to be facing gold and silver. So she's been buying this and keeping it in the house. People just take it when they don't have money and go to where you see, we buy gold for cash and silver. You walk in there, they pay you cash at the current value. That one is money that you don't need to put in the bank. And it's there for you 24/7 anytime you need it in the United States. Let's fill it. Number 10, bonds. Time will not permit me to be explaining. All this is inside this slide. I would recommend you get this slide. Please. get the slide and keep it for yourself. You may need this. Let's just read that. Bonds are security like stock. When you buy a bond, you are in effect lending to a company or government. Do you know that Indiana has a bond? Municipal. And some of the best municipal bonds are municipal bonds. You are lending the money to the Indiana County to do some things, develop and put money in the library, $2,000. And they tell you we are paying you. Some of them have high interest. They are paying you so amount in 2 years, and it will come to you. You have nothing to worry. If that money, if they lose anything on that money, it's none of your business. But because the bond are not like stock, they must pay you that amount that you agree on at the end of that. So I will not talk. You can read them up at your convenience. Let's go. For time's sake, there are 3 types of bonds. U.S. Treasury bond. I open an account with them. Municipal bond, that's the one I just mentioned. Corporate bond, like you are a company is selling bonds, and then you are. Government bond is that U.S. Treasury bond. The U.S. government is one of the surest in the world that you can buy their bonds. You can go to sleep. I'm not sure if you buy Nigerian government bond. I can't be sure. That of Ghana, maybe it will work because Ghana is really doing well. But I can't guarantee you if you go and put your money in Nigeria, government, US, security bond, you are looking for trouble. Recently, 2 days ago, yesterday I heard that Twitter is taking their headquarters to Africa, and they are starting in Ghana. And some Nigerians are getting angry. Why is it Ghana? Oh, they ask you not to do your country well. When everybody is always stealing money from the government. We should be ashamed of ourselves and say the truth. Praise the Lord. Guys, pay attention to me. Well, by the way, congratulations to all the brethren from Ghana on that great achievement. God bless you guys. All right, sit down there. They are 1,000 ahead of Nigeria. Now listen to me, everybody. TIPS is one of the bonds. What is TIPS? It's not TIPS that you give. It's called Treasury Inflated Protected Security. Inflation does not affect them. That's why they call them TIPS. You can read more on them online and then open an account. You don't even have to put in one. You can put $1 there. For instance, this US Treasury, you can put $10 and open an account there. It's fine. All right, let's go. I think we are halfway. 11. REITs. What are REITs? Real Estate Investment Trust Funds. Brethren, today real estate is so profitable. Tomorrow it crashes. If you want peace of mind, you might not need to even buy a real estate, and somebody is calling you to come and put restroom, and the restroom, the restroom something has broken has split into 2. Come and replace it. The door is doing the oven is that. It doesn't happen every time because I've been renting now for many years. Where I'm not called the landlord, but it happens once in a while. But if you don't even want that headache at all, or you don't want to hire manager, some people hire manager to be in charge and just get their rent. The management company takes care, or a personal person who is a property manager take care of that for you. That's the best way to remove headache from you. Now, from yourself, sorry. But even if you don't, even if with that, you can still buy REITs. Some of the best REITs out there is WP Carey, Federal Realty, Avalon Bay Realty, Fundrise is very good, and Diversifund. If you Google it, you can open a Diversifund has I think the highest interest. I think about 15 to 20% of whatever you put there today. And they are insured. All right, number 12, CDs. What are CDs? Not CDs that you used to play. It's certificate of deposit. You put in the bank, and then you do it for 6 months or 1 year, and this is the amount they are paying you. Sometimes you can put $10,000, they guarantee you that at the end of 2 years, or at the end of a year, you have 11,000, which is 1,000. If that's okay for you, to me that is a crazy investment. I don't want to put my money there. It is too small. But better than living in somewhere. You know, when the Lord came and gave talent to people, to his servants, when he came back, talent is not it's money, investment. The one that went to hide it, what did he say? Say you are an unprofitable servant. At least you have put my money in the bank. I will have collected it with interest. It means that is the lowest kind of interest you can even think of. Next, let's go. Number 13, annuities. You can buy annuities and then you get salary for life. Because of time, I will not be able to talk about it. I talked about it last year. Annuities is a series of payments made at equal interval or one-time deposit. Example of annuity are regular deposit saving account. But it's not just normal saving. It will be an annuity account where you are depositing there regularly. After some time, they will just be paying you a particular agreed amount Whether the inflation goes up, it goes down, it's none of your business. You just get paid every month that particular amount. It could be lump sum once, or you are contributing to it to a particular time. You probably need to read also a little bit about it. So for time's sake, I will not be able to talk too much on it. But like I said, read the slide and get more information as well. I'm not a fiduciary. Who is a fiduciary? Somebody that's a financial advisor. This is just for, information, entertainment, and knowledge sake. So don't quote me somewhere and say, Pastor said I should buy this, now it has crashed. Next. We are far away. Don't worry, that's types of annuity. Let's go. Types of annuity. Where are we now? Number 14, retirement saving account. It has been said that I think they said about only 13 or 3% of Americans have retirement accounts. And what's the percentage? Maybe about 13%. That's really a bad one. That they are not even up to quarter of the population. Imagine. Brethren, this knowledge is free, but it's not common. Do you know why? Somebody said, common sense. It's not common. It's not common at all. Common sense is not common. You can imagine people working all their life for 40 years. I told you about those 100 boys and girls started at the age of 25. Do you know why many of them did not achieve financial intelligence despite the fact they are 40 years? Financial freedom. Number one, they never learn anything within their 40 years. If you are reading a book 1 year, you'll have read 40 books in 40 years, and your life will have been changed. An average millionaire reads 52 books a year. An average poor person does not even read 2 on finances every year. Ask yourself how many you have read this year on finances and leadership. You will discover that it's true. You are busy with college work, and that you are just going to join the rat race without your college degree. Start learning, especially when you're on holiday if you don't have time now in the school. Read a lot of financial intelligence book and on leadership and success. Did you know that most of them are free on YouTube? Somebody have read it. Audio, plug it to your ear, and you drive for hours anywhere you're going. You are learning. I've read many books with Audible. I pay for that. When I discovered that some of them are even free on YouTube, I stopped paying for my Audible. I'll be leading to that. I will go to YouTube. I have the YouTube playlist. I call it YouTube books. Love. There's a book I put there to read, The Law of Compound Effect. There's so many powerful books I can share with you that all you need, you don't even need to look. If I share that playlist with you, if you just read that, your life will be set. Brethren, read. Please, read. There's no other way. They said a foolish one. I won't call him a foolish man because he looked like a wise, right? Even if you want to hide anything from a black man, put in a book. I say, oh, that's a shame. Do you know why? Because he will not read it. If you want to hide anything from a black man, they say put it in a book because he will never read it. I was shocked when they mentioned the first 10 countries that have the highest reading habit in the world. Nigeria, Ghana, they were not among. Just say you know. Did you know the first country? I was shocked. India. I said, oh my God. They have about 9 point something hours every week. People take about 9 hours to read in India. China was not number 2. America was not. Google it. The highest 10 nation with highest reading cultural habits. Africa is not in the first list, 10 list. That's really bad. And see where we are. All right, let's go. Retirement savings account you put, one of them is called Roth IRA. Roth IRA, government allows you to put $6,000 a year into an account. That's the mass in a year. You don't pay tax on this account. Many people in America, this is only account you never pay tax on. Any money that account generates, if you become 1 billion, you will never be taxed. You can cash it out yourself, free. All the money is yours. Brethren, why would you waste time? Maximize, put all the money, all the effort in your, and you can put all the investment we are doing now into the Roth IRA account. You can do it from there. I'll tell you, Fidelity. You open a Fidelity account, you open a Roth IRA, all your investment, put it under Roth IRA, you never pay anything under it. You don't know. Any amount that you cash out, it's just that you can never cash out until you are 65. And you have. If you cash out, the penalty is a little one. But if you cash out at that age, whatever you put there, you will never pay taxes, just free money for you to be spending. Roth IRA is the best investment. We open one. We have one, so you just say you know. Roth IRA. I don't have all the much money there because my income is very little. But I'm not where I used to be many years ago. Start a Roth IRA today. You can start today. Not tomorrow. We'll get there. Because I'll tell you how to open that under Fidelity and you are done. Now let's go. I will not be able to explain all those ones. We'll get that later. Other type of retirement saving account, 401k, you should have heard about that. Some of us have jobs that they will say if we put $500, you match it with the same. Or the job will say, pay attention guys. They say contribute $10, we double it by 2. Take advantage of such. Those are job 401k. They will say if you put $20, you put 40, make it 60. You should put 100 so that I can put 300 and continue like that. That's 401k. There's 403b. There's 401. We have 2 retirement savings accounts, Roth IRA, and we have 401k. 401k from the RCCG NA, North America. As a pastor, you are giving that account. Even though they put small money, it may not be much. In fact, my Roth IRA, my 401k account, it doesn't have up to 5,000, but it's not 0. It's still better than somebody that doesn't have. And I've just started. Maybe 10 years time, over compound interest will be more than that, of course. I'm just telling you. Okay, life insurance policy. You might say, well, I don't need it. Well, maybe if you're not married. But I think everybody needs a life insurance policy. I took out a 500,000 life insurance policy for my wife that if I pass away today, the company will put in her hand $500,000 check and only pay $48 every month. Amen. I'm not afraid to go. Because I know they will write her $500. They say, who is going to be the sole beneficiary? I say, sir, I'm not splitting it. Give the whole money to her, $500,000, whatever she wants to do with it. She's free. There are people that have been married for 30 years, they don't have that, just that in this US. And it's just, some of them you can get for $15. If you are not, even a non-smoker, you are don't have anything. Sometimes some company can even give you cheaper rates for, depending on the number of years. Some can be locked up for lifetime. Some can be 15, 20 years term. Term, like they call it term. That one is 10, 15, 20. But there are some for the rest of your life. You just keep paying that amount. It doesn't increase on you. All right, let's go. Mommy was telling me the one she found for $15 a day. All right, number 16, mutual funds. Sorry about them. That's another form of investment. It's very good. Mutual funds. Let's go. Time doesn't permit, but index funds are better than mutual funds. I told you index fund is a bucket of 500 shares or stocks in one. Next, exchange traded fund. We call it ETF. Read it up to. ETF are also better than index fund. Why index funds are better than mutual funds? Time will not permit me to read everything. Let's go. 18. Oh, okay. We jump 18. Foreign stock and index fund. Brethren, did you remember what I read to you? Invest your money in foreign trade. It's only stupidity to buy everything from US. Alibaba is a company like Amazon in China. We invested in Alibaba. Something can happen here. The China will not be affected like that because it's another country. Invest in from foreign something in Ghana. Well, I can't tell. Nigeria. Honestly, I can't say of Nigeria because I invested there. It was a waste. Many years. They came back and the portfolio. I was talking to my friend last year. He said he invested so much money in the stock. And when we check his balance, instead of going up, it has become almost 0. That can only happen in Nigeria. Because we are wicked to ourselves. I can't talk of Ghana because I've never invested. But I know they are doing well. And that's truth be told. I'm not the type that because I'm from Nigeria, I don't believe in that nonsense. If somebody is doing well, let us say they are doing well. If they are not doing well, let us say they are not doing well and encourage them to do more. Ghana is doing well, and that's just the truth. Praise the Lord. All right, let's go to 19. 19 is real estate. Guys, pay attention at this point. Real estate invest passive income. There are many things you can do with real estate. Number one, you can flip, fizzing and flipping. There was a time we wanted to buy a house here. We were dragging our legs, my wife and I. It was $10,000 right here. All we needed to do is to buy to fix it up, and then we don't want to leave it. We will sell it or we give it out to rent. By the time we were dragging our leg, one day I went there, somebody else, I said, yeah, but say yes, you are dragging your leg. I said, I'm dragging my leg. Think it's easy to come up with the initial deposit and all those stuff. I'm just telling you that you can buy a house as much as even $5,000 in Indiana and in Pittsburgh. And look at YouTube how to fix a bathtub. You go and fix it yourself. Look at YouTube how to do this. You go. There's a guy doing that. He just checked the video of YouTube and borrow. Some of us are not paying attention. And borrow the equipment to do it from Indiana Library and some other company for free. It doesn't pay. You don't need to go to Lowe's or Home Depot. You can go to the library, some of those places, and borrow the equipment for free. There is a website where people have equipment and they borrow to you for free. You will go to his house and fix the bathtub today. Tomorrow we'll fix the wooden floor. He will paste it by himself. He finished the house. The house maybe bought 20. And in the next 1 year, it was like 80,000 as appreciated. That's where you can get that kind of crazy. That's fixing and flipping. You can do buy, renovate, rent, and repeat. That's buy, renovate, rent, and repeat that again and again. Number 3, wholesaling. You need to read about that. It's very powerful. I just learned about it a few days ago. A few months ago. I said, what? That one is possible as well. Just Google wholesaling in real estate or on YouTube. You will learn a lot. I've been following the lady. I bought her book and she's into wholesaling. She was damn broke and living in her parents' basement. Today she's a multi-millionaire. Within a few years, and she's only doing wholesaling and some investment. House hacking. What's the meaning of that? You buy a property that has we were to buy one. When we were ready to buy it, they said they don't want to sell anymore. We said, but why? They said they don't just want to sell. I was really angry with them. It was 3 units. That's the meaning of house hacking. I think 3 bedroom, 3 units. And they wanted to sell it for $60,000 in Indiana. We said, wow. So our plan is to move into one, rent the 2 out. That one pays your rent and pays all your mortgage and you have a lot of income. That's house hacking. Number 3, buy and hold. You buy it, probably you are the one living inside it. After some time, you sell it and move to another one and you make profit on it. So there's a whole lot of stuff you can do on real estate. But you just really need to learn more about that. Let's move on. Number 20, invest in crypto. It may be too late. Can I have that video? It was just going to be 60 seconds video or less, about 30 seconds. Pay attention to this video.
What's up, Stefan? It's Graham here. And on July 20th, 2020 at 6:50 p.m., I bought 217,391 Dogecoin at a price of 0.0046 cents a piece for a total of a $1,000 investment. Well, today, at the time I'm making this video, that $1,000 investment has turned into $89,130.31.
You know what we do? We watch Netflix, we watch this. You'll be poor watching that. I can guarantee you. Most of the time we have arguments. Say, I'm not watching any movie. Say, no, she watch. I say, I'm not seeing a movie. I've seen enough. So she now say, you know what? Okay, let's pick one night for movie. So I agree to that. Otherwise, I'm the one that says, no, I don't want to watch any movie. I watch enough in my life. So I always watch only financial leadership and all those things because you can never learn enough. I consider myself as I know nothing. But some of us are full of ourselves because we feel that we know. So that's the problem. The more you learn, the more you discover that you don't know. It's only the people that don't know that are very proud because they think they know. People that are full of knowledge, they don't. Is God proud? But yet he knows all things. Now, Dogecoin. Lichi called me a few months ago to buy. I decided to buy. They have blocked it off. So I tried, I just left it. He now called me 2 days ago that I should buy. I said, okay, I'll buy this time. I went. The price has increased by 400% within 2 weeks. And brethren is still at 5 cents. So it's not late for you. I bought 400 shares 2 days ago for only $160. I'm buying another $160 to make it 1,000. Only $320, you have 1,000. This is the opportunity that many people missed when Bitcoin came. In 5 years, if Dogecoin moves to $100, that will be $100 times 1,000. That will be $100,000 I did not work for. This guy made $89,000 in 1 year. That is something that some people will take them lifetime to save. Brethren, the best time to be rich is this generation. You might not get it better. An information age, I told you, don't use industrial sense in information age. It will not work. Look for something that's information. That's the point. $89,000 in 1 year. That's it. That, you don't even, it was July. It's not 1 year. How many months are we from July now? 2 months? 3. In 9 months. Brethren, if you have bought $5,000, you'll be sitting on $89,000 times 5. That's it. Some people would never save $89 in their lifetime. And in 9 months, somebody had it. Dogecoin is still at 5 cents today. $160 will buy you 500. $320 will buy you 1,000. Just leave that 320. Throw it away. Assume that you lost 320. You will not die. Leave it there. That's why I played that video for you, so that it not be a word of mouth. Tomorrow, that you will see that Dogecoin will become $100, $200. Say, oh my God, I did not buy. But there's nothing to say. It's not even a man. That was how Bitcoin came out. It came out at 3 cents. In 2017, I bought Bitcoin of $3,500. Within a year, it was $8,500. Unfortunately for me, I bought from a fraudulent company. I bought it. She gave me $1,000. I added it to $5,500, so it was $3,500 we bought. Today we'll be sitting on maybe about $60,000 from that investment alone. So the company came and said, okay, invest there. It will no longer Bitcoin. They are now into Bitcoin mining. And we said, that's fine. After some time, they said we should not be checking accounts. I said, why should I not check my accounts? You know my account? They started this policy, and before you know it, they ran away with money. I said, okay, God bless you. I told you I've lost a lot of money. And I started. We bought an investment for $6,500 last year. $6,500. And they were beginning to do this. Yeah, I told you. I said, no, don't worry about that. Leave them alone, they'll be fine. For now, they are not. They're just like this. But it was $6,500 that we put in there. I told you a lot last year. I couldn't believe that we put away between $10,000 to $20,000. I've never done that in my life because we put our mind there. I'm always thinking it's not easy. Investment is something you have to do like you brush your teeth daily. All right, let's see. Number 21. Just think and pray and start anything. Please, even though I told you we're going to finish late today. Normally we have 12 hours. 2 hours. Please don't bother by extra 5 or 10 minutes. If this will benefit your life, I think it's worthwhile. Because maybe you will not get somebody to say this for free somewhere. So I'm pleading with you to please forgive us for the few time that you may have on top. Now, think and do anything in this. I discovered that this is the age that anything sells. Any crazy thing you can do like this and take a picture and put it up, and somebody will buy it. You can do this. We were looking for video for my YouTube channel. My wife wanted this one that they bring out pocket and there's nothing inside. And we were to buy it. Maybe she said 25, I'm not buying. We didn't get free one. Do you know somebody just do like this and bring out pocket, record it, and put it on the site? This is the site you said that. Snapwire.com. Video, pictures, you upload it there, you get paid. One is called ACX.com. Take a picture of those. There are so many of them, I can send them to you. Another one is called Teespring. You go in there, you design t-shirts, cups, you can write scripture, whatever you want to do, and put it there. Somebody order that design, and you get paid. They order it 1 million times, you get paid 1 million times. See your reality that I was telling you. These are income you are sleeping, and they are coming to your account. You cash out, maybe every month, every 2 months. Brethren, there's 1,000,001 thing out there. I was talking to Rich. A guy sold NFT. Abi? Is it not NFT? Or NFT, yes. The NFT for $70 million. About $70 million. If my calculations are correct. What the NFT? They are things they like artwork, but digital artwork online. Brethren, you can open a site today and begin to put anything there. That God, maybe a snap of this, a picture of that, a video of this, and somebody will come and buy that whole website from you in millions tomorrow. Don't sit down doing nothing. This is information age. But a lot of people are still using industrial sense in the information age. It will not work. You can upload video and all those stuff into those and then you get paid. I think we're already done 21. So my dear brothers and sisters, there are no better times to better our life financially than these times. This slide will be available. There are some links there. Once you click the link, will take you to some places you're going to open an account and all those stuff. Brethren, do something. I'm encouraging you to do something. The other time I showed you apps that can, and I told you I have money in all those apps. All of them. We have money there. Put small here, small there, small here, small there. Don't wait till you turn the next 5 years or 10 and then you say, oh, I wish I bought Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still at less than 5 cents. I told you $160. $320 will buy you $1,000. 1,000 shares. Don't waste your finances. Be frugal and save. I was talking to Dr. Vida. We're talking about house. He gave me an idea I've never had before. I shared that one before as I exit here. Who is taking the offering for us? Okay. As I exit here, I give you this idea. And I shared the idea. And he said, sir, you don't have to pay 20% to the agent selling house. I said, what do you mean? Can you guys listen? That was a powerful idea. I said, how will I not pay? If you buy a house, you must pay 20%. He said, you don't have to pay. I said, how? He said, take the real estate class. It's a 60-hour class. Pass the exam. They give you a certificate, and every house you buy, you don't pay anybody 20%. Hey, wait. That is wisdom. Just to take the exam and pass, you get a license. So when you buy a house, you are buying as a licensed person, real estate person. Then you don't pay 20% to anybody. I said, brethren, common sense is not common. I just gave you one. God bless you.